Tonight we're gonna prepare a beautiful pasta, which is including a fantastic fresh black truffle. First of all, we're gonna try to find out how many grams there are here. So it's around 35 grams. Normally for a plate of pasta for 2 people, you can consider around 20 grams. Well, what we do, we're gonna put it in between the pasta. And there is a simple reason. We want the truffle flavor to be absorbed by our fresh tagliolini. Then put it in the plastic bag and back in the fridge. After 4 hours, now we open the package. Guarda che roba. Che profumo di tartufo. That is really amazing because the pasta is porous and so absorb all the volatile flavor. Guardalo qua. Bellissimo. Allora, let's cut it because a little piece like this, we gonna, eccolo qua. This is the color of a black truffle pregiato.
Sono buonissimi.
It's almost similar to the truffle estivo, the summer truffle, which is also black outside, but inside will be a little bit more brown, like nuts color. This one is clearly, of course, is December. Mamma che profumo! Senti che roba qua. Buonissimo,
mamma mia.
Facciamo anche, let it smell also to the filmmaker. It's already been cleaned. Here you just have to brush it with a special brush for the truffle so that it's completely clean from earth. And it's time to prepare now the butter. With the butter, olive oil are our 2 ingredients tonight. You can put a little bit of good quality garlic, but you take it out. It's just to give some flavor to the oil. Let's start. Prepare the classic tagliolini al tartufo. It's very simple. Heat some extra virgin olive oil with around 25 grams of butter and garlic clove. That is only for the beginning to give some flavor to the oil. When everything melts, then we're gonna take it away. Don't forget to put water on the fire and bring it to cook temperature. And of course, if you want to enjoy Piemontese wine, here tonight we have a Falchetto Barbera d'Asti Superiore, 2 years in the barrels, waiting for us. It is important the fire to stay pretty low because you want to only to melt the butter and not cook it. And we spread a little bit of flavor. Ready? That's what we do with the garlic. You want just to have a gently flavoring in the background. Now the butter is fully melted. We take away the garlic and we're going to grate. The butter is just warm, not really hot. We don't want to destroy the flavor of the truffle, but we're going to gently, just softly grate it on top, and we'll extract all the flavor and will become like a creamy truffle sauce, but without chemicals, without synthetics aroma, but the real truffle. Tonight we bring Piemonte in the plate. I'm sure you can buy somewhere, maybe with your favorite vegetable shop, on the center, the market. Find it fresh, has to smell good. And those big pieces, they're clearly not an issue. We let it stay and get warm and enjoy them. Oh, che bello! Il profumo, lo senti l'odore?
Sì.
Mamma mia, non vedo l'ora di metterci le mani sopra qua, le dita, la forchetta. Mamma mia. Adesso we just mix it. Guarda che roba, si scioglie praticamente, it will melt in the butter itself and it will become a creamy truffle sauce. Guarda qua. Senti il profumo, arriva già. È caldo, it's warm, but just not too warm. so we don't destroy it. We cannot do this with the white truffle. We can only do this with the black truffle. The white truffle you would destroy. But here, it's okay. Just a small part. This one, we keep it for later. And voila. The water is boiling, is on cook temperature. Allora, we can throw all the pasta in. Look at here. Ah, fresh pasta. 1 minute cooking. Let's set the time. Meanwhile, we prepare our mandolina. Here is our plate. And here is our mandolina. This one allows you to cut and slice in very thin flakes. Guarda che roba. Our truffle. The thinner is the truffle, almost a transparent paper, the more will be the flavor extraction on your plate. This is made in Italy, of course, but I think you can find it everywhere on every online shop. Allora, let's be ready because 1 minute is very short. Yeah, we are ready. Guarda qua. Lasciamo the water in case we can always use it later. For now we take just the pasta licked out. Guarda che bella. Ah, sento già il profumo del tartufo che viene su. Che gioiello. Gioiello della natura. The jewelry of the nature. Adesso lo facciamo saltare e amalgamare. Lo senti l'odore, eh?
Sì.
Ah, incredibile. Non è niente, questo è solo la coda. It's just the tail of the truffle. Imagine your pasta absorbed all the cream, and we're gonna put a little bit of cooking water to make it slightly wet. Ok.
Se fai quello sento il vento e poi l'odore.
Davvero?
Sì.
You feel the wind and the smell. Allora that means that the plate is coming perfect. Guarda qua. Con questo we help to make a wonderful shape and we serve it here. Guarda che robetta. Guarda che robetta. Papà today want to exaggerate. You know what is lekker with the truffle? The yolk of the egg. Papà ci ha già messo sopra. Oh no, è cascato. Lo andiamo a riprendere. Non ci facciamo mica fregare. No! Non importa, allora mettiamoli così. But if you can make it without breaking, then it's the best for a picture. But look, it's looking great also like that.
Vedi il colore, vedi tutto.
Guarda che roba. Dov'è? Da questa parte qua. Guarda che roba. Questa. Ah, così. Semplice, un piatto pronto in a couple of minutes. Guarda che roba. Now we do the other two plates. Però meanwhile we know that is coming really good.